Mushroom fried rice, really, really simple this one. Healthy, tasty, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so mushrooms, fresh white mushrooms, that's 250 grams or about 3 cups in total. Just chop them up, fairly large, cut them small if you want. Basmati rice, again, 3 cups of that, cooked. If you've seen the videos before, I always say use cold rice when you're making fried rice. I think it just works out a bit better. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Half a cup of bell pepper, just for a little bit of color in there. A teaspoon of cumin seeds and a nice tablespoon of chopped garlic. Let's get moving, this is very easy. So you're gonna need a wok or a frying pan or a skillet or something like that, obviously. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of a vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but vegetable oil, canola, something like that works really nicely. We're going to drop in that teaspoon of cumin seeds, which I think is really nice in this. And we're on a high heat. I've just put it on nice and high. It's going to be high all the way. We're going to go 1 cup onion, tablespoon garlic. If you wanted, you could add some ginger into this as well. Bit of salt, some black pepper, and we're going to throw this around for 3 minutes. We'll have this done in no time at all. So that's just 3 minutes there. We're going to drop in that little bit of optional bell pepper. If you want some celery in here, a little bit of carrot, entirely up to you. Bulk it out with anything you like. We're going to add our mushrooms. About 3 cups. About 4 minutes now. Again, stir frying this around on a nice high heat. Very easy. So you can see that the mushrooms, as they've cooked, have reduced down, give off a little bit of moisture. Let's go for the rice. So we've got equal amounts of rice to the mushrooms, like 3 cups. Now, what's important is we actually fry the rice. This is going to take 5 or 6 minutes now. I see a lot of people just do this for like 2 minutes. You end up with a rice salad. You need to fry it. If you get a little bit of browning on your rice or even blackening, that's going to add to the flavour. So I hope you can hear that. You need that rice to be frying away. And like I say, if it catches and gets a little bit brown, that's where you want it. Now if you want, you could add a bit of soy in here, a bit of soy sauce, some fresh chilies, some cilantro if you wanted. Off goes the heat. I'm adding nothing apart from our green onions. I'm going to give that a mix and it's done. Also maybe a little drizzle of sesame oil could be nice. But like I say, that's good for me. Really beautiful. Okay, and that's it. Beautiful. A nice, easy, simple, delicious mushroom fried rice. Vegetarian, vegan, cheap, delicious. Please take time to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a message. I do read your messages and try to get back to as many as I can. And do hit the subscribe button for notifications. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.